Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use cruise control on your Volkswagen. This solution will work for the Volkswagen Tiguan, Volkswagen Golf, Volkswagen Polo, Touareg, Passat, and the Volkswagen Touareg. So if you guys have any of these models, this solution will work for you. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is make sure your car is started up. And then what you need to do, guys, is go here to your screen in the left side of your steering wheel. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So once you're here, make sure that you are in the home section. If you're not, just click on the menu button, and then here you're gonna find all of your apps. Go ahead and look for the vehicle app, give it a click, and then here you're gonna find your vehicle settings. If you go to your settings list, here in the bottom right you're gonna find settings, give it a click, and then here you're gonna find all of your settings. So just scroll down until you find driving assistance, give it a click, and then here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of your assistance settings. And as you can see, guys, the first thing is gonna be the cruise control. You make sure that you select it to enable it, and once you see the check mark, this means that your option is enabled. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.